And the government has identified the leather, textiles, dairy, pharmaceuticals and automotive subsectors as key focus areas to accelerate the growth of the manufacturing sector. Kenya targets to increase the contribution of the manufacturing sector to the GDP from the current 7.2% to 20% by the year 2030.
The manufacturing sector's contribution to the economy has averaged 11% in the past decade. However, there is growing concern over the sector's dip in output. The manufacturing sector's contribution to gross domestic product stood at 7.2% in 2021, down from 7.6% in 2020.
So what is this that will change for us to get a different trajectory northwards?
The dip was attributed to, among others, coronavirus disruptions and impact of the Russia-Ukraine war, factors that disrupted local and global supply chains.
The manufacturing priority agenda gives proposals, as we have already heard, to address these challenges and support the government's agenda to uplift economic conditions of Kenya.
Manufacturers have rolled out a 20 by 30 strategy whose focus is on increasing the competitiveness of locally made goods, export-led growth, SME development, as well as enhancing value addition to agricultural produce.
And it is for this reason that the government has prioritized the following value chains due to their potential in creating jobs for our youth and women: leather and leather products, textile, dairy, edible oils, tea, construction and building materials, automotive and pharmaceutical.
The manufacturers have renewed calls on policymakers to ensure a predictable tax regime to support the manufacturing value chain.
For us to be able to compete in the global marketplace with Chinese, with Americans, with everybody in the world, we have to make sure our market is competitive to produce, from taxation point of view, from power point of view, from a soft infrastructure, that is policy, from our physical infrastructure, and the hard infrastructure is there.
Manufacturing is known world over as a creator of jobs due to the value chains it involves. To drive Kenya's industrial growth, all counties have been tasked with setting up county aggregation industrial parks. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.